Do I really need to put lights on my bike?
A bicycle without lights or reflectors can be almost invisible to a motorist at night or dusk. Using bike lights lets other road users know that you're there. Even during the day, using your lights can make you easier to see. In Texas, if you're riding at night, you must have a white light on the front and a red light or reflector on the rear of your bicycle. Additional reflective materials on your bicycle or clothing can help make you even more visible at night. During the day, consider wearing high visibility colors when you ride. They can help you stand out from the background. No matter the time of day, give drivers as many clues as possible about where you are and where you're headed. Being visible is an essential part of sharing the road.